Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, is probing a police shooting which happened in the St. Elizabeth as the St. Elizabeth police tried to smash what they believe to be a major motor vehicle stealing ring. A policeman was also shot and injured, and two of the alleged thieves arrested during the incident which unfolded at a garage in Newton. TVJ's Krista Campbell has the story.
The open garage in Newton, St. Elizabeth, where police believe they made a major break in what has been a series of motor vehicle robberies. Police say buses are being specifically targeted because of the high cost of those vehicle parts. But when thieves decided to strike again about 2 o'clock Saturday morning, things quickly went south. A man who said he asked police to accompany him to drop off his bus explained how it unfolded.
So while I was here, I see a car driving in the garage in the night, drive in, drive out. I said to the policeman, look here man, look at this thing, look serious. We have to come out of this bus now. So we come out of the bus and go in and change and lie down. So when you lie down, I change and say, car still a circle the place.
He said 3 men got out of the vehicle.
They broke and entered into one of the buses, and in the process of removing some mechanical parts, when they were surprised by a policeman and a citizen, the license firearm holder. He's also a owner of one of the buses.
Same bus that they took us up over last night, then scrap this bus last week, then scrap it more, then take away a whole engine over there about 1 month ago, and then come back last night again on a different coaster.
He said the men tried unsuccessfully to get the vehicle to start.
And the policeman rise and say, police! One then go inside there, by the time he jump in the car and start fire. And when he start firing, he sped off.
A policeman and one of the thieves were shot and injured, while the other men were later cornered on the Braze River Main Road and arrested. 2 other men escaped and are being sought. The men are reportedly from Kingston. The getaway car was found abandoned and has been seized by the police. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.